Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I cook braised Chinese black mushrooms over lettuce. The first step is to prepare the mushrooms. We need to wash and soak the mushrooms. So we gently scrub off dirt and debris off the mushrooms. Then we soak the mushrooms in warm water for at least 30 minutes. After soaking the mushrooms, we cut off the stems and we discard the stems. We squeeze any excess water out from the mushrooms. We save the soaking water for later to make the sauce. The second step is to prepare the garlic and the ginger. We cut and finely chop about 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 1.5 tablespoons ginger. The third step is to prepare the sauce mix. We add 3 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce to an empty bowl. We add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon Shaoxing cooking wine. We add 1 tablespoon brown sugar. We add 1 cup of the mushroom water or vegetable stock if you prefer that. Then we whisk the sauce mix well. The fourth step is to prepare the lettuce. We only need half a lettuce. So we wash and cut the iceberg lettuce in half. We blanch half the lettuce in the salted boiling water. And we remove the lettuce quickly. And we plate the lettuce bed. So the fifth and last step is to braise the mushrooms. We heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat. We saute the garlic and ginger till fragrant. We add the mushrooms and stir fry for 1 minute. We add the sauce mix. We turn the heat up to medium high and bring it to boil. When it boils, we turn the heat to low and we braise the mushrooms for at least 15 minutes. We add half a tablespoon of vegetable bouillon. We add the slurry to thicken the sauce. We turn the heat to medium and bring it to boil. We add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And cook for another minute. We then plate the braised mushrooms on the lettuce bed. If you try this recipe out, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.